Digital forms of money have step by step penetrated the standard cognizance and got momentum. Nonetheless, a significant number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for the sake of entertainment. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2023. As per the Axie Endlessness Cost Examination, the base cost of Axies will be around $6.09 in 2023. The most extreme value that the Axies can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2025. In view of our Axies Cost Forecast 2025, the cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2030. As per our Axie Endlessness Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the Axies crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axies may be around $50.43. What is Axie Limitlessness, Axies? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Boundlessness is based on Ethereum, ETH organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie, however being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie Boundlessness. Axie Vastness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axies is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing cryptographic money. Players can procure the Axies crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token, NFT games have acquired colossal prevalence around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one perspective, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time, on the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a climate of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a manageable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie limitlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Boundlessness, Axies, is set to make lives more enabled and speedy. In a novel manner, the Axie Limitlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axies altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, accordingly legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized eco-space. With a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767, Axie Endlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a fair recuperation. The Axie Limitlessness's cost weights around $6.90, with an unsurpassed high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234, separately, in the crypto market. Axie Boundlessness has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 116,939,046 Axies, and the pioneers behind Axie Vastness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Limitlessness has a great deal of vows to observe for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized examination, Axies tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token revised enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. In any case, the future cost of Axie Boundlessness, Axies, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Boundlessness still productive in 2023? Axie Endlessness universe offers many advantages, however the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally horrible. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. Notwithstanding, the recuperation of Axie Boundlessness was extremely present moment and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axies holders might add more tokens to average their property, however for new financial backers, it is a hazardous chance to enter the market. Notwithstanding, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie vastness shards. As indicated by Wallet financial backers Axie's cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost at the year-end might drop to $2.044. While, as indicated by our Axie limitlessness conjecture, the Axie's cost could start an upswing and cross $19.07 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie boundlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie endlessness might skyrocket to $101.252, making it a wise venture by 2027. Simultaneously, the value expectations examination recommends that the cost of Axie limitlessness might reach $154.47 by 2030. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2023 or Axie vastness crypto cost expectation proposes that the symbolics cost could record a nice recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie limitlessness's cost is determined to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axie's coin value expectation 2024. According to our Axie vastness cost expectation, the Axie's coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $17.31. While the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axie's token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axie's financial backers might procure fair benefits in the year. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025 Axie boundlessness, Axie's, in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16. While the base and greatest Axie endlessness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07 individually, in light of our Axie limitlessness coin cost expectation 2025. Axie's value expectation 2026. According to the Axie endlessness gauge, the Axie's coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie vastness coin's cost ascent for the year may be colossal. Axie's crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie boundlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and most extreme costs of Axies are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie endlessness coin value expectation 2028. As per our Axie boundlessness forecast, the greatest worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long.